Instagram How-To section. Instagram is one of the fastest growing social media networks. Its appealing format and functionality have driven people and businesses away from traditional networks like Facebook. Video content is the most popular content type on Instagram, so it's obvious that we need to dedicate one lesson to how to create, optimize and promote your video posts on Instagram. We will start this lesson with showing you how to make great Instagram videos and talk about the different types of videos for Instagram. And we will then demo you how to use the various video capturing and editing tools you will find in the Instagram app. We will close this lesson with how businesses can use Instagram and how you can make money with it. Instagram has extensive features to create and promote videos, particularly with the growing appetite in using Instagram stories. Video is the most important content form on Instagram. It is important though to make sure that before you start creating your video, you have a good idea of what you want to achieve with it. Is it to create awareness, to generate leads, or are you answering questions that clients may have? Utilize the video editing features that Instagram has, or use some external apps if you want to go beyond what Instagram has to offer. There are enough tools for you to make your Instagram video a visual feast, as you can only create that on Instagram. Shooting and editing a great video. Video is now the most shared content type on Instagram. Where in the early days Instagram video was only 15 seconds long, nowadays you can upload 60-second videos and turn multiple videos from your camera roll into one video clip. And today Instagram has lots of different options within the app to create videos and optimize them for the newsfeed or for stories. Recently Instagram announced IGTV. They're trying to take on YouTube with a dedicated video sharing app for vertical and landscape videos with a maximum length of 60 minutes for verified accounts or accounts with a large audience. However, anyone using the app will be able to upload up to 10 minutes of content to the platform. All in all, Instagram today is a fantastic network for brands to build brand awareness and to showcase their products or services. To shoot great videos for Instagram, you need to be aware of a few things. First of all, you need to shoot the video for Instagram. And Instagram has its own video formats. Video for the newsfeed tend to be square, whereas video for the stories must be vertical. The aspect ratio for vertical videos is 9:16, which gives you a perfect 90 degrees flip for normal widescreen video. It's also better to use your phone's native camera. This will give you better control over exposure and focus. Instagram will allow you to upload multiple clips and then edit them within the Instagram app. Also think about short form versus long form videos. Stories are good for short clips, whereas IGTV lends itself for longer videos. Short videos are great for explaining things that can be chopped up in steps like recipes or how-to videos. Long videos are good for brand experiences and interviews. Additionally, it goes without saying, you always need to think about what you want to achieve with your video. What's your end goal? Do you want new followers? Do you want to get into engagement with your followers? Or do you want to drive traffic to your website? All questions you need to think about before you start shooting your video. Video editing in external apps. Once you have shot your video, you can do some basic editing within the Instagram app. You can also edit your video outside Instagram. The best environment for editing your video is on your desktop computer. Apps like Adobe Premiere from Microsoft or iMovie from Apple will give you an extensive range of video and audio editing options. You can then save the edited file and move it to your phone via Google Drive, for instance, after which you can import the video file into Instagram. There are also many video editing apps for your mobile. They won't give you as many features as the desktop video editing, but they come a long way. One of my favorite apps is Video Show. What I like about Video Show is that it has a wide range of templates you can use as a format for your edited video. It also comes with an extensive song and music library. Video categories. So what type of video would work best on Instagram? Instagram lends itself for what we call snackable videos. A snackable video is short, compelling and entertaining. And they are designed to drive the viewer to some sort of action, like driving them to a landing page or to a fill-in form. Here are some examples of topics for your next Instagram video. It can feature your product features, to show your followers what products you carry and why those products are unique. You can show your product in action. This is great for breaking up the monotony of staged product features. You can also give a sneak preview. In these type of videos, you announce news with a teaser, which gives your followers a sneak peek of what is to come. Behind the scene videos work very well on Instagram. They are great for building a more personal relationship with your audience. Think of office tours, staff introductions, a day in the life of. Tutorials will show your fans how to use your product. And finally, video series. They are great for building a community and for engaging with them. Once your community has seen an episode and they like it, they may want to come back for more. Video types. Besides different topics for your videos, you can also think about different formats for your videos. Looping videos can be created within the Instagram app. Looping videos start automatically from the beginning after the clip finishes. They can be very creative and work well to showcase movable product features. Stop motion video is an animation that is captured one frame at a time, with physical objects that are moved between frames. When you play back the sequence of images rapidly, it creates the illusion of movement. Both iOS and Android have lots of apps to create stop-motion video. In a time-lapse video, you capture lots of photos of a scene over a period of time. These images are then put together to create a seamless sped-up video. Time-lapse videos work very well to show how something is built or made. And finally, hyperlapse videos. These are videos that allow you to squeeze several minutes of film into the 1 minute maximum set by Instagram. They are a bit like time-lapse videos, but the camera is moving. These videos are great to show behind-the-scene footage. How to use Instagram video options. There are various ways that you can make a video on Instagram, so let me show you how to do that. If you go to the Instagram app, it takes you to the news feed where you can browse. To make a quick video, you just click on the plus button. And that takes you to this shot of my phone, for instance. You need to make sure you activate video. If you click on the button, you can then make your video. You click again to stop recording and your video is ready. You can now play the video, and if you are happy with it, you click next and then you can add a filter if you want to. I will come back to filters and editing later. Then you just click next, write a caption, tag people, add a location and share it. Your video is now posted on Instagram. This is the simple way. There's also a more advanced way of making your video. So let me discard this video. Go back to the newsfeed. We're now in the newsfeed. The creative way to create a video is go to your Instagram stories. To access your Instagram stories, you can swipe to the right. Or you can also click on the little camera on the top left of your screen that takes you to the same video screen. And now you see that you have more options. You can see that here at the bottom. You can do live video, you can do normal video, you can select boomerang video, you can do super zoom, you can focus on your video, rewind your video and record hands-free. So let me explain these in a bit more detail. For normal video, you just click on the video button and then you can see that it's recording. And when you're ready with the recording, then you let go of the button. And what you see now is that you have some extra options at the top, where you can add effects, stickers, drawings or text. So this is the simple way of making a video with added effects. You can also go for live video, and this is just like Facebook Live. When you click on Go Live, then Instagram will announce it to your followers. And then you can start your live broadcast. When you're ready with your live broadcast, Instagram will ask you if you want to post it on your stories or in your newsfeed, and then you're done with your broadcast. A very creative way of making videos is using Boomerang. Boomerang was a separate app which became very popular. It was then acquired by Instagram. A Boomerang video is a video that repeats itself. If I click on Boomerang, I'm going to get the phone and I will turn it. Then when you look at the video I created, you see how the video repeats itself all the time. You can do a lot of creative things with the Boomerang effect. You can make people move back and forwards, you can make objects move up and down, and then post them as short repeating videos. You also see that you can change the camera into selfie mode and you can add some special overlay effects as well. So there's different filters. I quickly scan through those. When you're in selfie mode, you can have funny face alterations as well. So lots of different effects that you can create here. So now let's look at the super zoom video. The super zoom is a bit like paparazzi video, also with different effects that you can add to it. So for instance, I want hearts on this video. Click on it and then it will zoom in and you will see hearts popping down. And here is the stamp effect. Click on it and there you go. When I do a focus video, it makes the background blurred. With rewind video, you can make the video playback by itself. And then finally, there's the hands-free video. If you click on hands-free, you don't have to keep on pressing the record button. So you have more freedom in camera movement when you choose this option. So these are the different types of video that you can make on Instagram. How to use Instagram video options and filters. To show you how the effects work on Instagram, I can go to Instagram and then into the story creation mode. And here I can just make a normal video. I can pan and move the video around a bit, so the video is ready now. And here I am in the screen where I have the different options to add creative effects to my video. So this is what I can do. First, I can download the video on my phone by clicking the downward arrow. I can then get different effects. I can add stickers. I can play without sound. I can draw on the screen and I can add text. There are many different options. And when you click on the effect button at the bottom, you see the effects that you can add to your video. There are effects that can be added when there is a face on the screen, but there are also effects that can be added as an overlay over the video. We can also add stickers like a location sticker and a mention or a hashtag sticker. Interesting thing about these text type stickers is that when you add these, Instagram will actually understand the text and will add them to the index for search. You can easily move the stickers over the screen, you can add a time or a date, and you can also add quizzes. So you can ask a question, for instance, do you like this? And then people can actually answer by dragging the slider. You can do a poll, and there's a whole range of other stickers that you can add to your video. You can draw as well. You can have a thin line or a thick line. You can change the color, you can do special effects, and you can erase as well. So you can do many different effects with this. You could create an effect where you wipe out the whole screen, and then with the eraser you can reveal sections of the video. You can get text, and then when you're done with it, you can add the video to your stories or save them as highlights on your profile page, or you can share it on your newsfeed. Monetizing your Instagram videos. There are many different ways to make money with Instagram. You can make money as an influencer by creating sponsored video posts. These are videos where you promote a product from a brand. And the brand will reward you for giving them access to your followers. Tap Influence is an excellent app to connect brands with influencers. You can also sell your videos. Instagram is a great place to showcase your content. 2020 is an excellent website where you can promote and sell your video content. And of course there is affiliate marketing, where you can promote your products from your affiliate partners and get a commission on each sale. ShareSale is a website where you can search for potential affiliate partners. Or why not sell your Instagram account if you no longer want to manage it? FameSwap is the place where you can do this. Finally, Instagram can also help you indirectly to make money. You could use it to promote your YouTube channel, and as we have learned in this course, there are many ways of making money through YouTube. Takumi is one of the leading online platforms where small influencers can get connected with big global brands. When you have more than 1,000 followers and you have good content, you will be able to use this network to identify brands to work with. Here are the takeaways of this lesson. Video has become the top content type shared on Instagram. And today Instagram has a whole range of options to create and optimize your videos for the newsfeed and for the stories. Short videos of maximum 60 seconds are best for Instagram. Instagram uses looping videos. They start automatically from the beginning after the clip finishes. Use looping videos to showcase a fun or versatile product feature. Instagram has many different video styles in the Stories camera, and once you've shot your story video, you have plenty of options to customize them. Takumi is an online platform where micro-influencers can connect with big global brands to sell their original content.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.